Got a broken part stalling your project? Let's rebuild it. Using the EINSTAR Rockit, we capture the part's fine details with its 7 parallel laser lines. We quickly select and remove any unnecessary background data, leaving just our piece. Then, we flip it to scan the second position. We align the scan data into a clean mesh and export it directly into EXModel. First, we extract basic features, like cylinders and planes, to align the mesh to the software's origin. Next, we trace a 2D sketch along the mesh's cross-section and use the Revolve tool to generate the core solid body. To recreate the socket, we sketch a hexagon and perform an extrude cut. For the outer locking tabs, we sketch right over the scan's base and extrude the shape upwards. We use the circular pattern tool to evenly duplicate that tab around the axis. Just like that, our reverse engineered CAD model is complete. Send it to the 3D printer, and we have a flawless functional replacement ready to go.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.